Kia Motors India is going all out with its India operations. It has laid down the structural framework for its new manufacturing facility in the Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh. The plant covers an area of 23 million square feet and is expected to create 3,000 jobs and produce 3 lakh vehicles annually once it's fully operational. On the 22nd of February, N. Chandrababu Naidu, Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, visited the Kia Motors plant for a framework installation ceremony. On the occasion of this ceremony, we caught up with Mr. Yong Kim, Executive Director, Marketing and Sales, Kia Motors India, to tell us a little bit more about the plant.
Yes, we are investing in this Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh with 1.1 billion US dollars to establish engine shop and the press shop, body shop and paint shop and assembly shops. And here with this 3 lakh capacity of cars can be produced here, and then we will recruit around 3,000 people in these nearby areas.
So you talk about a 3 lakh capacity, and that will obviously roll out in different stages, not at the outset. So tell us what the plans to ramp up production are.
Yeah, initially we will produce SP concept car from 2019 second half of the year, and then we will ramp up this facility till 2021. We will reach 3 lakh cars. Yeah.
Tell us that after SP concept, what the Indian market can expect from Kia Motors.
We think about SUV, smaller 4 meter, sub 4 meter is also growing very fastly, and then also the compact cars and the sedans will be the part of our consideration in the future.
You've spoken about a sub 4 meter and then maybe considering a hatchback, but can we also see maybe other SUVs, because you're strongly focused on SUVs, come into the range and possibly CKD?
Yes, as I told you, in the motor show we made a very short survey, and according to the result we can consider any other models like a Sportage, which is one of the best design model, and then also the bigger ones we have also Sorento. Yeah, so there are many models which is available, and then we will think about it. Yeah.
We also caught up with Mr. Manohar Bhatt, Head Marketing and Sales, Kia Motors India. Tell us a little bit about the future plans of Kia. I mean, we know that you're employing a lot of people and there is a lot of investment coming in. When can we expect the first rollout of the car from the plant?
See, it's a very difficult question to answer in the sense that normally I would say that schedule is for a launch in middle of 2019. But the sort of support we got from the team and the sort of efficiency of our local construction team is such that within, I think, 5 months, they're already 2 months ahead of schedule. So as things stand, we are looking at introducing our first vehicle, selling our first vehicle by middle of 2019.
Now, a single product strategy for especially a new brand that's shown a big might at the Auto Expo will be a little bit difficult. So I'm assuming that you will have a steady rollout of products post the first car launch. So what is the plans for that, and what period of time will you have the rollout over, and how many products can we expect at the outset?
We will be introducing at least 2 more models that will be produced within the factory, in the Indian factory, in the next 18 months or 24 months after the start of production. We could also be looking at having SKDs, which will be importing from Korea and other places. We may be looking at that also.
As far as dealerships go, can you tell us about the rollout of dealerships for Kia Motors?
See, we are, like I said, we got all India ambitions. So we'll have a pan-India network to begin with, which means that we'll not be in the top 5 or 6 cities. We are looking at maybe tier 2, tier 1, tier 2 and maybe some tier 3 cities also to start off with. So basically our intention is to be near the customer and to provide the customer service or give him that comfort of being near him wherever he is across the country.
Tell us also now, BS6 will come soon after your rollout, which is 2019, and BS6 is coming in 2020. So is Kia and the product that Kia is bringing to India ready to have BS6 and the norms, and will you be prepared for BS6 at the outset?
See, we are producing vehicles for all the advanced countries in the world. So any technological regulation, bring it on, we are ready to meet it. Euro 6, no problem. Electric vehicles, not an issue. So we got all the technologies, so it's not an issue for us at all. We'll be coming out with the Euro 6 vehicle when we launch, for sure.
Thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us. Thanks.